Hello guys, MJ here, MBJ Knowledge. We have a very simple question today, learn a trick, so watch up to the end of the video. A question is under mensuration, that is a frustum of a pyramid. Learn how to handle questions under pyramids. The diagram below shows a bean in the form of frustum with the square ends of sides 4 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively. The height of the bean is 9 centimeters. Find the volume of the bean. All right? This question is a very simple question to handle. We are not going to be using that complicated formula. What we're going to be using here will be areas. All right? So it is very important to identify the base. In this case, the base is a square. Okay, so this pyramid has got a square base. So if it is a square on top, then also on the bottom, it should be a square. Okay, if it's a rectangle, then even on the bottom, rectangle. So we're going to say here on top, this is area 1. Here on the bottom, this will be area 2. Okay, and then this will be the height that we know for this pyramid. But of course, the height continues, but we are not going to be extending. Take a look at how we're going to handle it. All right, so on the formula, we have said we're going to be using areas whenever you're calculating volume of a frustum for a pyramid. All right, so we are going to say this height will be represented by small letter h because it is not the complete height for the pyramid. So small letter h divided by 3. Okay, so h over 3 multiplied by, so you open the bracket. Inside the brackets, you're going to put your areas. So area 1 plus area 2 plus the square root of, you multiply the two areas that you're going to get. Okay, so this is the formula you are going to be using. Now, take note on how we're going to use the formula. So let's first of all write down the data. So first of all, we need to find area 1. Area 1 is on top. Now, it is very important to take note that since we are using areas, you should be able to find the area of each and every shape or each and every base that will be given. In this case, the base is a square. Area of a square is just a squared, okay? Meaning the side which is given, you just square it, then you get the area. So in this case, the area given on the top base, the side given is 10. So just say 10 times 10, okay? That is 10 squared. So 10 times 10 is giving us what? 100. So area 1 is 100, okay? Then area 2, the side given is 4. Again, you do the same. So it will be 4 times 4, okay? Which will give us what? Good, it will give us 16. So area 2 is 16, area 1 is 100. Then we have the 9. We said this 9 is the height, but not the complete height for the pyramid. Okay, so we'll represent it with small letter h, so which is 9. Let us substitute the values on the formula. Okay, so here where there is small letter h, we put a 9, so 9 over 3, open bracket. We're going to have area 1, you have 100, plus area 2 is 16, plus in the square root, you are multiplying area 1 times area 2. So area 1 is 100 times 16. Follow the procedure. Do not rush. Okay? Here, if in case this number cannot go through, it leaves a remainder when you divide into the number which is on the numerator. Please leave it, you divide at the end. In this case, the 3 can go there without leaving a remainder. So we'll divide. 3 into 9, it goes there 3 times. So we have a 3 times, open bracket, then we add 116, okay? 100 plus 16, we are going to have 116. Then we multiply here 100 times 16 in the square root, where we have 1,600, okay? Please do not start multiplying the 3 and the 116. No, that is not correct. We need to, first of all, to finish up everything inside the brackets. That's when we can multiply to the number outside the brackets. Okay, so first of all, let us find the square root of 1,600. So punch on the calculator. Okay, what is the square root of 1600? Good, that is a 40. Now I can add 116 plus a 40. Okay, I'm still keeping the 3 because I'm not done inside the brackets. So the 3 comes, then inside the brackets, if we add this 116 plus 40, we have 156. This is the only time when you can multiply now with a number outside the brackets, which will give us what? Good, a 468 centimeter cube. This is the volume for the frustum of this pyramid, of the volume of this bin, since it is in the form of a frustum of a pyramid. That's all. So learn this trick, make sure you subscribe and share with others so that you can learn more. See you in the next video.